Comparing Apple's best Pro phones. We got the 13 Pro, the best phone Apple has ever made, also the 15 Pro, and the new 17 Pro. And if you have the 13 or the 15, should you upgrade to the 17? And there are three major upgrades if you're going from the 13 to the 17. Let's find out. First of all, the biggest changes you can see is the design. This still has the notch, this has a dynamic island, and this has the new camera design with the body. And diving more deeply, the 13 and the 15 is 6.1 inches, while the 17 is 6.3, just a little bigger. But again, another big difference is that this has stainless steel frame. This has the titanium, which we first saw in the 15 Pros, and this went back 4 years and now has an aluminum body. Of course, another main difference, in the 13 you got a silent switch, and in the 15 and 17 you have an action button. And here is the main difference, it's the chips. In the 13 Pro you got the older A15, in the 15 Pro you got the A17 Pro, and on the 17 Pro you got the A19 Pro. They need to fix up these namings because I'm really confused. So let's break it down. In all of these chips, you have a 6-core CPU, and you have a 5-core GPU on the 13, and 6 cores on the 15 and the 17 Pro, but with neural accelerators on the 17 Pro. And when it comes to GPU, it is incredibly fast. Like, this is your basic average chip, and on the 15 Pro, you can play PlayStation 5 games, and the 17 Pro is rumored to be fast as the M3 chip from the MacBooks. This is how fast these two are. If you're going from a 13 to a 17, you will notice a really big difference. And also, the batteries are much bigger on the new ones. And as the front cameras, you have the same front camera on the 13 and the 15, but the 18 gets the new 18 megapixel center stage and rotatable camera. And second main difference is the cameras. In the 13, all of your cameras are 12 megapixels. On the 15, the main and the ultra wide are 48 megapixels. And on the 17, all of your cameras are 48 megapixels. On the 13, you have 3 times zoom. On the 15, you have 3 times and a 2 times cropped zoom. But on the 17, you got a 4 times and an 8 times zoom. The zoom is much better on the 17. And another biggest difference is you got Apple Intelligence on the 17 and the 15. You get nothing on the 13. The 13 is Lightning, while 15 and 17 are the faster USB-C, and the 17 can charge a little faster wirelessly. These are all the differences. Let me know, we have a 13 or a 15. Are you upgrading to the 17? Like and follow for more.